Hey everyone, so we have number 19 from 12A from 2025 now. So the question A, B, C are the roots of the polynomial, and we want to find the expression right here. The first thing I see, like since we have the roots and the polynomial, so we just want to probably remember the vieta. So this is a cubic, so I will say just a reminder. So like when you have a, let's say, cubic function, a polynomial actually, bx squared plus cx plus d. The sum of the roots, I'm going to say R1, R2, and R3 is going to be negative b over a. And the sum of the roots pairwise is going to be the c over a. And then the product of the roots has to be negative d over a. So this is just a reminder. So like with that in mind, so like I can just say only constant is known and then also the quadratic is missing. So which means for our case, the sum of the roots actually 0 and the product of the roots is -1. Okay, so then I can just like maybe take the AB as a common factor. So a squared actually b squared. And you will get a plus b. And then I can do the same thing with these two. So if I pull the b squared, c squared, so you will get b plus c. And then the same thing as c squared, a squared, c plus a. And I do know the sum was 0, which means the two roots is just when you add two roots, that will be negation of the third one. So that's right here we have a squared b squared times negative c, and then b squared c squared, so negative a, and then c squared a squared is negative b. Since we have ABC is now all common, so I can pull that ABC, or even maybe minus ABC. So that will give us AB. That will give us minus BC, actually plus BC, right? Because, okay, and then plus CA. And I do know, let me double check. So we pulled ABCs. Yeah, the product of the roots like ABC is -1. So, but there's negative right here. So it's just going to be 1. So that's just 1. And this is basically our pairwise product, right? Which is going to be the C over A. C in this case is K. So the K over 1 is just K. Okay, so the answer is just K, which is choice A. So this is the tricky one right here. So like whenever you are having the higher degree, the polynomial, so you know when you write the sum of the, I mean the symmetric sums of the roots, like these guys, we call these like S1, S2, S3, and then if you have more, S4 and stuff. So we start with negative of the second highest coefficient, divide by the coefficient of the highest one, A, and then we just cycle the signs after. So we start with negative, positive, negative, so that is usually helpful. So that's why if you are not really sure, so you can always write this and then cycle between those positive and negatives. So you will get the K for the answer. Okay, so that was the number 19. I'll see you in the next videos.